Hello again and welcome to week 5, module 5 of our COM 725 advertising class. As I said, module 5, week 5, the theme for this week is reaching the target audience. Basically, we're going to go over the different types of media that you can use to reach your target audience. The reading material for this week is chapter 10, 11, 12, and 13. Chapter 10 addresses the print advertising. So anything from newspaper to magazine, and you learn the challenge that print advertising is facing in today's era of the digital media. You'll see that print media is a very effective way to reach your audience. And then we'll move to chapter 11, talk about broadcast, cable, digital, and satellite media. Basically, television and radio. It'll focus more on those two medias. You learn the characteristics of each of these medias, the advantage and drawbacks of each media, and you understand the most effective way to buy advertising media. Then we move to chapter 12. Chapter 12 is digital interactive media. Basically, this is what we call today digital marketing. It addresses from the website, advertising on search engine like Google and Yahoo, advertising on social media, display advertising, and this is a very important media. More companies today are moving their budget from the traditional advertising to the digital advertising because it's very cost effective and also it's database driven, meaning that you can target your audience with products that are relevant to them. So it's very different than what we used to call mass advertising. This is like personalized advertising. So chapter 12 is a very important section of this class. Then we move to chapter 13, out of home, direct mail, and promotional products. It's still a very effective way. As you drive, you see billboards. If you use the subway, you see a lot of advertising on the subway. This is out of home, and at one time we call it also outdoor advertising. Most companies still use this type of advertising in combination with other media. And the assignment for this week, it's basically a quiz. As I said, the quiz will be covering chapter 10, 11, 12, and 13. There is 16 questions. Each question is half a point, so total 8 points. The time limit for this quiz is 30 minutes. Good luck. I'm sure that you'll do well if you read the chapters 10, 11, 12, and 13. So make sure you read those chapters. Take your time before you start the quiz. Make sure that you are in a quiet environment, and when you start the quiz, there is no interruption. You got to go to the end. Good luck, and if you have any trouble, please reach out to me. One of the things that I forgot to mention is this week I'll be sending an email. I'm going to have some office hours. Some of you, they want to have a conversation with me. We can do that to Skype, or we can use the Canvas, and this is optional. If you need to talk to me, we'll set up a time and we'll have like a 15-minute conversation, so you can address all your questions or concerns that you have in this course. So hopefully everything will go well for you, and I'll see you next week.